Yo guys, it's TNN and today we're going to have a look at some Bluetooth earphones, some wireless Bluetooth earphones. Now these are called the One More ComfoBuds Pro. Quite a name for right there, One More ComfoBuds Pro, but these are what they're called. And yeah, we're going to go straight into it really with the unboxing video. So let's have a look at it. So this is it over here. This is the box, quite a nice box actually, isn't it? Quite a nice design for the earphones. I can't wait to see them once we open them up. This will be the first time I see them, same time as you. So we've got a few things on here. One More ComfoBuds Pro, true wireless in-ear headphones, multiple noise cancellation modes. So we've got strong, mid, and WNR, free mic, AI powered environmental noise cancellation, 13.4mm ultra linear driver with extended bass, 15 minutes of fast charging, enables 2 hours of playtime. 15 minutes of charge will enable 2 hours of playtime. That's insane. So we've got 28 hours of playtime, pass-through mode for ambient sounds, auto pause and play, and this is the main thing that's amazing here. It's got the CES Innovation Award of 2021, so this must be quite the hell of a product for it to get an award from CES. It is a Chinese product, of course, you can see over here, and also over here made in China, and it's also based in Shenzhen, China, the company, so of course it's a Chinese company. If you want to see any more specifications stuff, do pause the video right here and you can have a look at them. But we're just going to go straight into the box and cut it open. So let's bring out my knife. Let's cut straight into the box. Hopefully this should be a satisfying opening. You see over there I burnt myself there, so we won't talk about that, we'll ignore that. Let's peel it off. Oh, that was nice. We'll chuck that to the side. It's got a very nice way of opening through the side here with magnets. I like that. I like that. See, that is little touches like that makes it premium and fancy. And this, I would say, it's pretty premium for earphone prices. I mean, it's cheaper than your Samsungs and your Apple and all that lot, but it is still pretty premium for a new brand that not many people have heard of. It's pretty premium. We've got beautiful sketches over here. This is amazing. This sort of reminds me of when OnePlus were designing their phones and they had amazing sketches like this. This is awesome. This must be the designers that sketched this. Look at that. Got a bunch of information on there. That's awesome. I love that. That is a really good design. Got my rubbish flying around everywhere there. What is this plastic? I can't seem to put. Oh, there you go. Got some plastic here with some information on it. You know how to use the controls and stuff. That's pretty nice. Straight into it to let you know how to use it before you go straight into it. But we're not going to read that anyway. We're going to go straight into it. Whoa, this case looks nice. Oh, it's got a matte finish. We're going to go back into that. That looks lovely though. I love that. Put that to the side over here. What have we got here? We have one more picture of like a teddy bear with some One More headphones. It's a little sticker. Don't really know where I'm going to stick now, but cool. We got some card over here for warranty purposes, so I'm guessing you scan this QR code, set up your warranty on the device. Let's tip this over and try and get this booklet out here. Oh, that is one hell of a booklet for earphones, for Bluetooth earphones. That's one hell of a booklet. That must have so many languages: English, TC, KO Korean, I'm guessing, JP Japan, FR France, D Dutch, German, Espanol, Italian. Oh, it's got a bunch of languages here. So it's got Polish as well, and Russian, I think. Oh, I have no idea. There's a bunch of languages here. That's pretty useful. That's good that it comes in a bunch of languages. So that's kind of shows that this company really wants to be out there and worldwide. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean all this up, and we'll have a look at the actual main earphones really, and see what it comes with inside. So let's go ahead and do that. Right. So we are now left with just this one packaging now. Let's go have a look at what we got here. So I wanted to wait to pull it out together because this seems like it's going to be satisfying. Let's hope. Oh, that was a very nice tight fit. Look at that. That was nice. What do we have in here? I feel like there's stuff in here. It looks like there's stuff in here. Look, it looks like a bag and some extra buds and stuff. Oh, nice. Look at that. Got a nice little premium. You hear my neighbour's dog barking there. We got the charging cable, which looks like it is on. Yep, USB-C charging cable. Love that. I kind of want to get rid of all that micro USB chargers and stuff. And we've got some spare buds. So it looks like we've got 2 large, 2 mediums and 2 small. That's nice. I wonder if any of them come installed. Normally you get mediums pre-installed on most like earphones and devices, because they sort of know that you're going to go straight for premium. That's normally the standard size for most people. Let's pull off this pull tab here. Oh, damn, that's good. I love pulling new seals off things, man. It's the best thing ever. So it looks like we've got an LED indicator on the front over here. This is really nice. This is really small. I'm in the review, which, well, right now you're seeing the unboxing, but obviously for you guys, right after this video will be a review video. I'm going to use it for a few days, but for you guys it's going to be the same day. You're going to see the review right after this bit. But I'm going to compare it with my Galaxy Buds Live, the case on there. But this, damn, this feels nice. This actually feels really nice and compact. See what the hinge feels like. Okay, hinge feels good. Premium, nice. We've got some more sticky pads over here. So this is the touch control area of what it looks like. Let's pull them out. Yeah, it looks like touch control area. So along here is all touch, and this just slides off. It doesn't actually peel off. So I'm just going to slide that off to the side over there. I'm going to do the same to this one here. Slide off to the side. They're quite deep. Oh, they're really snapping. Oh, they snap in there quite nicely, actually. Damn, they snapped in there quite well. Look at that. Let's do the shake test. Okay, the lid doesn't open up, which is good. Let's see if they shake out when I open it. Oh, that is good. That is some strong piece of magnet there. That's pretty good. I like that. We do have a bit of stickiness there, which I'm going to peel off. We got right and left written on there too. Nice. Got some sort of button here as well. I'm guessing that's some sort of connectivity button, but we're gonna have to figure that all out. We do have some nice velvet pads up here, so when you do close your headphones, they don't get damaged or hit by the case in these corners here, which is lovely. This looks really nice. I love the chrome and the one more, hear more. It's a really random slogan, but okay. This looks good. This looks awesome. So yeah, we're going to check this out. I'm going to use it for a few days, see how it goes. For you guys, it's not going to be a few days. You're going to see the review right after this. So yeah. Right, so we're back. I've been using it for a little while, and we're in a different area outdoors now. Again, I'm filming it outdoors because I want to use the natural lighting, and I can't be asked to set up my whole lighting system inside because that's long. But here we are. Here is the product. I've used it. I even took it to the gym, and I have to say, I love it. It is so good, so good. Okay, so I actually put the pill, so it is a matte white finish, and I put this inside with my keys to the locker at the gym, just to see if it gets scratched up. The key rubbed off a few marks on it, like a few black marks on it. After rubbing it with my fingers, it literally rubbed off completely, and it's completely mint. If I can try and focus the camera here, it is completely mint, nothing on there. Another thing I learned, and that middle button there is for connectivity, so if you can't connect to it via Bluetooth, if you just press that again, it will help you connect to it via Bluetooth. Press and hold that one. We have touch sensitive buttons here and here. If you double tap them, it mutes, it pauses or plays your music. If you triple tap them, it will skip to the next song or your previous song, depending on one ear. So left ear will be previous song, right ear will be next song. I've noticed one thing, that when you do the double tap and triple tap, you have to do it pretty quick, otherwise it doesn't work that well. When you do it like that, sometimes it mixes it up as a double tap instead of a triple tap, so instead of skipping the song, it actually pauses the song. So you got to do it quick like that. Other than that, really nice. The case is super good quality. I really love the case. Another thing I learned was to take out the earphones, you actually just push down here and then lift it up like that. you push down here with one finger and you lift it up with the other finger. The magnets, really good. Super stuck on. And yeah, other than that, it's really cool. It does come with an app, which is the One More app. I would highly recommend downloading this app. So if you just go on Google, search the One More app, right there, One More Music. This is the app it comes with. Switch on my Bluetooth and location. One thing I don't like, it shows picture of black ones, but white ones are the white ones. Bit strange, but yeah, it does that. I open the case up and it will automatically connect through Bluetooth. And the build quality is absolutely amazing. So these over here are sensors, so the earphones actually sense when you pull them out of your ear. So once you pull them out, it actually automatically pulls the music for you, which is amazing, which is really cool. Like, it knows when it's in your ear and when it's not in your ear, so it actually pulls it. It pulls the music when you pull out the earphone, and when you put the earphone back in your ear, it actually starts playing again, which is wow. That's a really cool feature. Another really good feature is the ANC on this, so you can actually control it through the One More Music app. Now there is ways to control it through double tapping and stuff like that, but I find that so confusing. Like, you can only do one setting, you can choose between four on the double tap. Oh, I'd rather just download the app, and I'd strongly recommend you guys download the app and just sort your noise cancelling mode through here. So it does have ANC, which is of course active noise cancellation. It's really good. It is really good. Now I'll compare them to my Galaxy Buds Live, and in fact I might even go grab them in a bit. They are absolutely amazing. These are really good at noise cancelling, especially with strong mode. Like if you're listening, like if you have the TV playing in the background and you put it in off mode, you'll hear the TV. As soon as you put it in strong mode, the TV just goes really quiet and your music just sounds so much more deeper and louder. Absolutely amazing. We've got a few features here: smart playback, got custom settings, which will only work if I actually connect it up. So I'll probably have to open it up, let the device connect up to me, then I can show you. So you can do smart playback, adjust your settings there, which is pretty simple, pretty good. Got custom settings, so again, touch and hold. This is for the ANC settings. Again, I'm not really a big fan of doing that, but you can do that, of course. You've got your double tap, so you can sort all that out there. One thing I didn't like is you can't choose what you want the left and right to do. So you can't have like the left one doing one specific thing and the right one doing something else. Like for play and pause, both left and right do play and pause. I would think it would have been pretty cool if you could do like one on the other side, one on the other side, you know what I mean? But you can't. But for volume you can, and for previous and next track you can. But for play and pause, unfortunately you can't do pause on one side and play on the other side. Other than that, everything else is really simple on this app. There's not much to it. The main thing is you can only do the noise cancelling mode. I would have loved it if the app allowed you to do something like equalizer, where you can adjust the bass, adjust various things like that. But I guess these guys, they don't really want you to do that. I guess they've already chosen what settings they want the earphones to be heard in, so fair enough to them. But I think as a personal user, I would like to adjust the equalizer, adjust the bass, adjust the treble. That's just me personally. They have a really cool feature on the app. If you go on the top corner over here, called Smart Burning, which is this top feature over here. This actually burns your earphone into the phases. So I've only done 0.2%. So when you get a brand new earphone, I haven't actually done this yet, but apparently this is what you do. So when you get brand new earphones, you burn them in, but it takes like 2 hours. Wait, how long does it take? Not even 2 hours. It takes 12 hours. I'm not sure if you can do that. Look at that, 11 hours and 59 minutes. Jesus, it takes really long, and it just sort of pushes through various sounds and pitches and high pitch, low pitch, white noise, and it basically adjusts all the drivers inside the earphones and all the mechanisms and the speakers inside, everything. It adjusts it all to its best, and then that way the earphones sound absolutely amazing. Now, sound quality wise is what you guys want to hear. Now I wish I could just let you guys hear it, but obviously it's earphones, it's really hard, you know, hearing through my camera microphone. But these sound absolutely amazing. Compare them to my Galaxy Buds Live, and I've also tried Apple AirPods 2nd generations, and also AirPods Pro. I just feel like this is so much nicer. This sounds really good. I can see why this won the CES 2021 award for, you know, one of the top earphones. This is absolutely amazing. The ANC on this is great. The noise cancellation is shockingly so good. I love the features about this, where you pull out the earphones, it pauses the video, put it back in, it plays it. So many different sensors. The touch controls are really nice and easy to use. Oh, the sound quality is just so crisp. It's just wow. Like, do you know what? You pay some money for this. It's cheaper than AirPods and it's cheaper than Galaxy Buds, but you do pay a fair bit for a brand that you haven't really heard of. But this is well worth it. Honestly, it is absolutely amazing. The build quality is amazing. Sound quality is amazing. It's just absolutely so good. I'm not going to do the Galaxy Bud Live actually comparison in this video, but if you do want me to do a Galaxy Bud Live comparison or some AirPods comparison stuff, I can try and get my hands on some AirPods. I got rid of my ones because I didn't really like them, but my Buds Live, I can definitely do a comparison video on them. But other than that, I've just got nothing to say. I'm speechless. I think these are absolutely amazing earphones. This is definitely on my top buy right now. I think these are the best earphones on the market. For the price it goes for, super competitive, and the sound quality and the features it has, absolutely amazing. The only thing I did not like about it was that I noticed it doesn't have wireless charging, and which is not a big issue, to be fair. And the second issue is the app. I wish it just had an equalizer mode on there, but I guess that can easily be done with an update for the app. You know, it's not that hard. The company can bring out an update and they can add an equalizer function on the app. But other than that, I think this is absolutely amazing. It sounds amazing. The active noise cancellation is one of the best I've heard in earphones. For the price you pay, you are getting one hell of a tech here. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. I think it is a very good price for what it is. I know it's a company you're not heard of, but believe me on this, it is very good quality and very good sound. I'd rather pay this money than go for a company that I've heard of that's cheaper or same price or a little bit more and not get the same sound quality and features that this gives. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and as always, link to buy will always be down below in the description, and if you need anything, just comment it down below and I'll try my best to reply back. Thank you.